As the leader of a small to medium-sized business, you wear a lot of hats: visionary, creator, motivator, and everything in between. You know your core business, your customers, and your competition. Whether in times of growth or uncertainty, when it comes to being at the leading edge of your industry, one constant remains: the ability to be agile and resilient to change. And Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central provides the tools you need to thrive. To stay competitive in a changing marketplace, successful businesses have moved to the cloud with Dynamics 365 Business Central.
Now, more than ever, small and medium businesses are looking to both grow their business and become more efficient. This means adapting new tools and processes that will help them reach new heights. This will include AI, which can help people with repetitive tasks, assist them on a daily basis, and ultimately improve job satisfaction. Business Central empowers you to do all of this and more in a comprehensive, all-in-one business application suite. This includes managing your finance, your service, your sales, and operations, providing a holistic view of your company and your data. And it's available in over 130 countries, ensuring Business Central is available wherever you are and wherever your customers are. With Business Central, you can maximize your productivity using the Microsoft 365 suite. This includes business intelligence with a Power Platform, letting you see your data in entirely new ways. This will include the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot, unleashing productivity and letting people do things that they never thought they could do before. It's all built on top of Azure with the reliability, the security, and compliance that comes with it. And of course, the Microsoft Partner Network has experts around the world that know your company and know your industry and can support you wherever you are. Ultimately, Business Central allows teams to adapt faster, work smarter, and perform better.
Using Business Central, but also by using Power BI, we can better manage our inventory levels. As a result, every month is our best-selling month. So it keeps on growing just because we can keep the focus on getting our products into the markets and delivering the right products to the right consumer.
Business Central enables you to confidently move to the cloud and adapt faster to a rapidly changing environment. Empower your employees to work smarter by leveraging the power of AI, optimizing productivity with automated workflows, and taking advantage of the interoperability with Microsoft 365 and Teams. And finally, enable your organization to perform better with real-time insights into cash flow and visibility into key performance metrics, available at any time wherever you choose to work. In a landscape that's constantly evolving, the tools to evolve with it are more important than ever. Always be ready for what's next and unlock limitless possibilities with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.